it's Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and fabric Friday. And as you can see here, this is my first attempt at triangles. I will go through it with you sometime next year. I have got a triangular ruler, but I couldn't find it, and I wanted to do this. So what I did is I altered my little square ruler to try and make it work, and I was able to do this from it. So I will show you how I've used a square ruler to make triangles. And I did this, and now I'm quilting it up. I have since then found my triangular ruler and made a second one, and it hasn't worked out as good. But this one I'm quilting up to make it into like a small table topper. So I thought I'd just bring the camera up here and record me free motion quilting it. This piece that's under it at the moment is one I use to practice on before I actually start quilting. I've got one or two things here that I use and I practice on them. She's got my ruler put on, and I've got one or two other shapes, but I'm just going to try with this, that's all. Before anyone asks, this is a vintage machine, so I don't have a speed setting on it, but the more you sew and the more you use your sewing machines, whether it be just one or in my case several, you get used to just putting a light pressure on, a bit more and a bit more. You do get used to it. It's convenient with the newer machines, but non-essential. I don't know if you're going to make this out because of where I put my hands. You can go in any direction you like because the feed dogs are down, but I prefer to have the work in my direction. Oh well, I've got tucks in it, but I'm still learning. Not many tucks though. Rather thick wadding in here, once again, and that's what's possibly going towards me having tucks and everything in it. Now that's all the middle down. You can't see from there the back but I'll show you that later. And now I'm just going to carry on going around it and leave the camera running for as long as it goes for.